Banging sounds heard in search for missing Titan submersible. There were all kinds of noises reported during the search for the Thresher. But they were later attributed to the fleet of search vessels themselves. The level of insanity imagined inside of that vessel must be horrifying. No banging sound since Monday, last paragraph rather than first, i.e. clickbait. They believe the banging was coming from the craft, but said that they haven't heard any noise since Monday. The CEO of the company is in there. He knows he fucked up and has to die with his clients right beside him for 4 days. Wonder how that conversation is going. This is going to sound awful, but I hope the sub imploded like has been theorized. That would be a far quicker death. It's awful to think of them down there just waiting for the end to come, and then of course how awful that death itself will be if it happens by suffocation.